Imagine a world where robots walk among us, not just in science fiction, but in factories, warehouses, and homes. The frontier of humanoid robotics is advancing rapidly. Let's explore the top 5 humanoid robots making headlines. Their capabilities are transforming science fiction into reality. First, Boston Dynamics Atlas. Renowned for its athletic prowess, Atlas jumps, runs, and balances with precision. It sets the standard for agility and control. Next, Tesla Optimus. Optimus is built to tackle monotonous, hazardous work. Picture a robot carrying boxes, sorting objects, or assisting with daily chores. Third, Figure AI Robot. Figure's new model features lifelike movements, advanced vision, and conversational ability. Designed for real-world jobs, it blends intelligence and physical skill. Fourth, Unitree G1. Innovative and accessible, Unitree G1 brings humanoid robotics to developers and educators. With flexible motion, smart sensors, and AI-driven learning, G1 is a tool for discovery. Fifth, Agility Robotics Digit. Digit was built for logistics and industrial tasks, lifting, moving, and organizing in human-centric spaces. It helps teams move materials efficiently. Why focus on humanoid robots? Because our world is designed for humans. Doors, stairs, tools, and workplaces. Humanoid robots fit seamlessly, adapting without changing our environment. While the technology is still evolving, these robots point to a future where they work alongside us, supporting industries, offices, and homes. The message is clear. Humanoid robots are becoming the new workforce of the AI era. Which robot impressed you most? Share your thoughts below, and join Idrees Tech for more pioneering stories in AI and robotics.